Hey guys, back another video today. We're back with another video, right? We're doing Sneeze Experiment Faithful Prank. Okay, so I'm going to name the video. Let's see what's going to happen. My phone is on 18% right now, so I have to hurry up and do this. I'm going to do 10 people. If they don't say bless you when I sneeze, they're going to have to, like, I'm going to just go away. You're going to see the people who are not faithful. Okay. Alright, 3. Oh, she was not faithful. Let go. You see that? You see those people over there? That's what I'm gonna be doing it to. Let's go. Okay. You sitting right there on those steps. Okay, I sneezed loud enough for me. Let's see them over there. Oh, you see him? See him right there? Let's do it. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, so they actually said, bless you, thank you. You done? Dang, that was fast. Finish this off when I charge my phone. You already see 2 people are not faithful. Peace out, you guys.